How's it going, guys? This is Bailey with Rogers Performance Marine. Our service department put this brand new Mercury 250 horsepower 4-stroke outboard on the back of this Cobra bass boat. Today we're going to hit the water and go through the break-in period on it. The RPM range on this motor is going to be anywhere from 5,200 to 6,000 RPM. We've got a 25 pitch stainless steel 3-blade prop on there that should get us right in that range. So we're going to go through a little bit of the break-in procedure, get it on the water, and make sure it's all ready to go. A couple things I want to talk about before we hit the water on this. The first service after the break-in is done is going to be done at 20 hours. After that, you're going to want to service it once every 100 hours or once a year, whatever comes first. The water impeller in the lower unit, you're going to want to have serviced every other year regardless of use. And then Mercury recommends doing the spark plugs every 300 hours in it. We're going to have this boat on the lake for the test run for it. If you're going to run it out of water, you want to make sure to put a flushette on the lower unit so you have water plumb to it so that it's not running dry. You never want to run this without water. One common thing we see wrong is Mercury's got the washout in the back of the motor. You can take and unthread this, and this will actually take and pop out to where you can stick your garden hose onto it. You do not want to hook water up to this and think it's going to be able to run through that. That's just going to be to flush out the entire system, not to cool the engine. So now we're going to hit the water and we'll be ready to go.